Hey, what's up guys? So Samsung has surprised everyone at Samsung Galaxy S25 launch event. At the end, they show us a teaser of a new Samsung S25 phone, which is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, not Slim. Previously, there was a leak that Samsung will launch one more phone of S25 series, which is Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim, but Samsung has rebranded it from Slim to Edge. I don't know why, and the design of the phone is completely different. The leaks of Samsung S25 Slim was completely different. The design of the Samsung S25 Edge is completely different from the S25 lineup, or like a S25 Ultra or Plus. You can see that there is only two camera, and you can see the front side also. And let me tell you some feature of S25 Edge. It will have 6.7-inch AMOLED display, and it will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite, just like S25 Ultra. The thickness of this phone will be just 6.4 mm. So this will be the thinnest Samsung phone ever, I think. And at the back, it will only have two camera, not three. Okay. Alright guys, just tell me, did you like S25 series, and are you excited for Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge? Just tell me in the comment. Okay.